All right, Christian Rivera here, Classic Cars of Palm Beach, doing a walk-around video on this 2018 Chevrolet Suburban. This thing's nice, but again, we do these videos to point out any flaws or blemishes whatsoever, so there's no surprises to our out-of-town buyers. We're going to start with the bumper area. Front bumper on the passenger side looks real good. Headlight looks real good. Grill looks fantastic. Second headlight looks real good. Hood looks great. Really no major scratches, dents, or dings. Front fender looks excellent. Front wheel looks good. No curb rash on the tires, and I'm going to call the tires at about 70%. Side view mirror looks good. Driver's side just about all the way down looks real good. No scratches, dents, or dings. Rear wheel, matching set of tires. No curb rash on the rear wheels either. And the running board's in great condition. Bumper looks fantastic. Tail lights are all in good shape. Nice little WeatherTech liner. That's pretty cool. Nice and clean. Rear quarter panel looks fantastic on the passenger side. Rear wheel looks good. Again, no major scratches, dents, or dings down the side here. Overall, I'm going to give it a 9.8 cosmetically on the exterior. Glass looks good, no chips, no stars, no bursts, no cracks. Take a look at the roof up top. Driver door looks real good. There's your Bose stereo system. Buttons are all in good shape. Driver's seat looks good, just a tiny bit of wear. All right, going inside here. Dashboard looks fantastic. Steering wheel looks real good. All the buttons are in fantastic condition. Passenger seat looks great. Headliner is in fantastic shape, and this does have the second row bucket seats. There is no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell. Take a quick look under the hood.